Okay, this is our 2009 Saturn Vue. Have to do a little bit of work on it today. So the first thing we have to do is lift the hood. But this has always been a little problematic as it's not all that easy. So I wanted to show you how to lift the hood on a 2009 Saturn Vue. Down under the instrument panel, you see that symbol there? That's what you just lift. You hear that click? Okay, so the hood has been unlatched and now we have to lift it up. There we go. See that thing? That is what's going to release the hood so you can lift it. So if we back up, you're going to have to put your fingers in here, grab a hold of that, and then lift up. Like so. So that's what it looks like. Right here you can see it says clip. You're just going to lift that like that. It unleashes it. And then you just lift it up. Okay, hope you learned something.